classic cars. So it's a little late to start the day, but I didn't really have time to take a camera this morning. So far we've worked on the Mustang to button it up. It was missing a little bit of ATF, so we topped that off. Apart from that, we had the 58 Edsel delivered this morning. It's already finished. I'll squeeze a video in of it running. Swapped the carburetor, replaced a couple of parts that were broken or missing, topped off the fluids and test drove it, and everything is fine. It's a pretty nice car for an unrestored 58. It's still pretty nice. Even the interior, it looks cool. Right now I'm on my way to see a potential customer who called me this morning saying that he's got a 68, I think, Plymouth Sports Fury. He started it, or started restoring it with his dad before his dad passed away, and he hasn't had time to finish it up, so he's asking us to see if we can put the car back together, and yeah, just apparently the car is already running and driving as it is, and most of it is, well, it was a running car and a driving car before they stopped it. The guy's dad just wanted a new paint and a new interior on the car, so they took everything apart and got the new paint job done and the interior, but now everything needs to go back together. So I'm gonna go see the car and see how it is and how we need to organize the work. I think there's a few parts that we need to order, so yeah, we'll see. And after that I'm gonna go see another guy who's got a car shop here in town, on the outskirts of town, and I've been told about this guy by a few different people, so I thought might as well just get in touch with him and see if we can just meet up and see what comes out of it. I mean, I just arrived in Phoenix a few weeks ago, so might as well just start making contacts. So yeah, we'll see about that. I'm gonna stop at the Plymouth first, and then I'll go see this guy. I already know he's waiting for me. I contacted him this morning over the phone, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. You've got the missing headlights as well? Okay. That's a sweet car.
Yeah, it's pretty. Sounds nice too.
Oh yeah?
See how it starts.
Cool. Sure.
And then it's good once they won't be. I hate doing this, but I'm gonna make it up.
Yeah.
This brake cleaner, you guys.
That's pretty cool. Sounds mean.
So, like I said, you know, I'll get a different carburetor for it, get something a little nicer. I think if it was just bolted on, all it's ever done is sit here and idle, so it's probably all gummed up and shit.
Yeah.
The car's got a brand new fuel tank in it and all brand new fuel lines already. We replaced that so it's not all rusty. So it's got a solid foundation.
Okay.
But
Alright. Hey, I'm back at the shop, and that was a really interesting afternoon. So I first went to meet with the potential customer, as I said before, for the 68 Sport Fury. Actually, these guys got a lot of cool cars in there. The deal is now this car, he started it with his father before he passed away, and now the car needs to be put back together. So everything is with it, with the exception of one or two parts, maybe heater core and something else. Everything else is with the car, so we just need to put it back together. He's gonna get it towed in the shop tomorrow morning, and then we'll start working pretty much straight away. After that, I went to see another shop on the outskirts of town, like I was saying before, and that's another really cool shop, very big and a lot of work, and very well organized compared to what we have at the moment here. But yeah, you gotta start somewhere, right? So we might go back tomorrow or the day after tomorrow with Arthur and check out one of the cars that they have over there, because they said they could use some help putting that car back together as well. If I remember well, I think it was a 55 Thunderbird. Yeah, pretty much the same kind of deal as with the Fury. The car, mechanically speaking, is pretty much done. Everything else needs to be put together. So yeah, we'll see about that tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have time to go tomorrow afternoon after the Fury is delivered here, and after that would be really cool, because that way it'll keep Arthur and myself busy here for a few days easy, probably a couple of weeks, and that gives me time to find more business to bring in. So yeah, that's a plan for tomorrow. For now, this Mustang was supposed to be picked up today, but actually we test drove it this morning, and it's kind of sputtering when we give it some gas. So we still need to look into that, what's going on there. Yeah, I'm not really sure yet. I might give it a go in a few minutes, see if I can find anything. And apart from that, Arthur has been working on the Morgan today since we got the head back, and yeah, so everything is almost ready to go. A new head gasket, and I'm still waiting for the wheel cylinders, and according to what the supplier told me, they should be here towards the end of this week, so hopefully that will be the case. I know Arthur cleaned up a bunch of pulleys and stuff like that and painted them, so that's ready to go as well. And yeah, after that, well, this one is still here and it's going to be here for a while. I went to the machine shop this morning and dropped a few of the parts that they were still waiting on from us, like the push rods and the head bolts. And the guy said to give him at least until middle of this week to the end of this week. So hopefully we'll have that sometime next week as well, and that way we can start pushing cars out of here and start actually making money. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking a look at the Mustang a little bit, and then I think that'll be it for today, because it's been a long day. rectified that because the vacuum advance here is not working properly. So I'd like to see if I put it back to what it was, if it changes anything. I don't think it would, or I don't think it would, or it shouldn't, but you never know. So let's put that back here. Different, so maybe that was the problem. Let me stop it. I think that might have been a problem, so I'll check on that tomorrow, but I think that's what we're gonna have to do. Well, I'm glad I checked it because I think that's, I mean, I don't want to say I fixed a problem, but I'm wondering if that wasn't part of the problem. Oh, since I'm here, this one I'm still waiting on an update. It's supposed to be towed out of here, I don't know when, but it's supposed to be soon. I've asked the guy to get it out of here because I need the space. So we'll see when that's gonna happen. I'm gonna keep pressure on him, and we'll see that. For the time being, I hope that you enjoyed this video. As usual, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.